Hello and welcome back to another penmanship lesson with Miss Hines. Now as always, we will need our workbook, our pencil, and our pointer finger. Now for today's lesson, we are going to be moving on to number 9. As you know, each number that we've come across so far has a writing rhyme, and number 9 is no different. So the writing rhyme for number 9 goes like this. We start here and we say a loop and a line, and that makes 9. So let's try that again. A loop and a line, and that makes 9. Keep going. A loop and a line, that makes 9. A loop and a line, that makes 9. Last one. A loop and a line, that makes 9. Now I want you to pause the video here, and I would like you to try the second line of tracing with your pointer finger by yourself. Remember to say the writing rhyme each time you trace the number. When you're finished, press play, and we're going to jump into using our pencil, and we will trace on our dotted lines. Okay, so Miss Hines is going to zoom in a little bit so that you can see. Remember, we hold our pencil. One hand on the paper to hold it steady, the other one has the pencil ready. So we start here and we say a loop and a line, that makes 9. Try again. A loop and a line, that makes 9. Now do you see how I'm holding my pencil so that as I write, I can still see the point, my pencil point. If I hold it here, can I see when I'm tracing? I don't think so. So hold it a little higher up so you can see. So we say a loop and a line, that makes 9. A loop and a line, that makes 9. A loop and a line, that makes 9. Now we're going to try the second one. Remember to take your time as you're doing this. A loop and a line, that makes 9. Keep going. I want you to say it for me, nice and loud. Great job. A loop and a line, that makes 9. A loop and a line, that makes 9. Last one on this line. A loop and a line, that makes 9. Now, our last line here for tracing, we've got a starting point and we've got a dotted line, but it's not completely finished. So let's finish off these number 9, shall we? All right, let's begin. So we're going to put our pencil on the dot and we're going to go around to the left. So we say a loop. Remember, we close it up and we come straight down, and a line makes number 9. Next one. Start at the dot. A loop and a line, and that makes 9. Next one. A loop and a line, and that makes 9. Great job so far. Keep going. A loop and a line, and that makes 9. A loop and a line, and that makes 9. Now, remember, we always draw shapes at the bottom here. And last time for number 8, we drew some squares. Now, I think we can draw 9 rectangles this time. So remember, a rectangle has 2 short sides. You see how short they are? And then it has 2 long sides. Look at how long that one is. All right, so let's see if we can fit 9 rectangles in this space at the bottom. So I've got 1 so far. All right, great job. So we have finished our first page of number 9, and now we're going to turn over and we have our number 9 worksheet to begin. So remember, we always read our instructions first. So it says, practice writing the number 9 on the lines below. Color the cars and write the number in the box. So step 1, trace our number 9s. Step 2, color 9 cars. Remember, you have to count. Color 9 cars. Step 3, write the number 9 in the box. So let's begin. All right, now remember, when we're tracing, we always take our time. It's not a race. So we start at the dot and we go a loop and a line. That makes 9. Keep going. Remember to take your time. Keep your eyes on your paper. Make sure you have one hand holding it steady so it doesn't move around. A loop and a line, and that makes 9. I hope that you're saying your writing rhyme nice and loud when you're tracing. A loop and a line, and that makes 9. Nice work. Make sure that you stay on those lines. And if you don't stay on it and you go off a little bit, that's okay. You try again. All right. Now that we've finished tracing the number 9s at the top, let's check out these cars. I would like you to help me count. Are you ready? Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So you know what that means. We get to color all of the cars on our worksheet today. And what Miss Hines is going to do, I've chosen 3 different colors. So I've got, what color is this? Red. What color is this one? Green. And blue. I've chosen 3 colors. So what I'm going to do is this section here, these 3 cars here, I'm going to color those in blue. The next 3 cars, I'm going to color them in green. Oh, will it stay? I'll hold it. And the last 3 cars, I'm going to color in red. So let's begin. Okay, we finished step 1. We traced our number 9. We finished step 2. We colored all 9 of our cars. And now we have to do step 3. So we need our pencil for this step. Remember how we hold it just a little higher up so we can still see the point. And now we're going to try and write our number 9 in the box. So I'm going to zoom in a little bit so that you can see. Shift my book around. See, I have my hand here to hold it steady and my other hand is holding the pencil ready. So we'll start at the top here, around to the left. So we say a loop, come straight down, and a line, and that makes 9. Now, I hope you had a great lesson with me today, and I will see you again on Friday, because what number are we moving on to? Number 10. All right, see you next time.